Hi, my name is Xavier, and the title of my science fair experiment is To Filter or Not to Filter. The rationale for my science experiment is household filters are commonly used in the United States. If it can filter the pH level of fruit juices, it must have an impact on water as well. The purpose of the experiment is to find out if water filter can change the pH level from three specific liquids. In this experiment, scientists may discover how charcoal filters will or will not change the pH level in the liquids. The question in my experiment is, can a household water filter change the pH of liquids? And my hypothesis is that the results of the experiment will show if a household filter can affect the pH level of the liquids because of the filtration system. Next is how I did the experiment. First, I would test the pH level of the liquids before I poured it through the filter. Then next, I would pour the liquids through the filter. And then after I poured them through the filter, I would test it again and write down my data. In this chart and graph, it shows the different changes in the liquids each time I poured it through the filter. Even though there was no change, there was still a fun experiment. In the conclusion, I, I'm trying to find the pH the liquid would change after filtering it. My hypothesis was proven wrong. The liquid's pH level did not change, even after 5 filter run-throughs. Filters have no effects on the liquid's pH level and does not change the color or taste. The limitations and assumptions in this experiment it was assumed that the pouring the liquids through the filters would be easy, but it was not. Research had to use another cup to pour the liquid through it. Future studies show that future research could be done to find out if water filters can filter thicker liquids like oil or syrup to see what happens, or if a filter can separate two liquids. Thank you for listening to my experiment.